Picture this, a watch that never needs a battery change. Imagine the freedom of atomic time accuracy and Bluetooth sync. Introducing the top 10 Casio Tough Solar watches. Are you tired of constantly replacing batteries? We've got the perfect solution for you. If you're into watches that actually make sense, consider subscribing. This is Xiao Chen O'Clock. First up, the G-Shock GW-M5610. This iconic square design is battle-tested. It's the go-to recommendation for a reason. Next, consider the ProTrek PRG 300. If hiking is your passion, this watch shines outdoors. Its display is incredibly legible. Then there's the G-Shock Mudmaster GW-G series. This isn't just a watch, it's survival gear. Its tough build feels intentional and reliable. For a more classic look, the Edifice EQS ECB series mixes style with function. It's perfect for the office, yet rugged enough for adventure. The G-Steel series blends premium feel with the toughness of G-Shock. It's a grown-up version for those elevated tastes. Do you climb? The ProTrek PRW series is engineered for serious adventurers. It offers advanced tech and precision for extreme conditions. On a budget, the Casio AQ-S810W is an entry-level favorite. It's simple to use and globally loved. Modern users will love the G-Shock Bluetooth models. They feel almost like smartwatches, but with classic durability. Looking for subtlety? Check out the Casio MTP-RS series, which offers understated elegance. Finally, if you love cars, the Edifice ECB Racing series is for you. Its design is sleek and stands out with confidence. Tough solar technology may seem minor, but it brings enormous benefits. No battery hassles means less stress. That's why enthusiasts love these watches. Now it's your turn. Which watch catches your eye? Share in the comments below. Don't forget, if you appreciate watches that make sense, hit that subscribe button. Join me for more insights next time on Xiao Chen O'Clock.